Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. I know it's fast approaching. I'm here to warn you guys. A lot of things will happen in this season. People who have forgotten you will start calling you. Those who have never bought you gifts will start buying you gifts. And the ones who have never taken you out would start calling to ask you where you want them to take you to. This is the time you will know who truly loves you and who do not love you, who just want to love you because of the season. And I'm not talking to only ladies, I'm also talking to the men. If you're single, if you're in a relationship, this video is for you. If those people you are in a relationship with or these people you're just acquaintance with are just showing the signs and you're wondering what's going on, like is everything shifting for your sake, be at alert. People will want to have the way just because of the season. Be warned and know what you're doing so that at the end of the day, when Valentine's pass, you will not be a victim. You should understand what love is. If someone is trying to show you love in this season, you need to weigh it. Has this person ever loved you before? I think I've actually made a video that talks about what love is. So if you have not seen that video, I would advise you to go and see it. If someone is all of a sudden showing you love from nowhere, starts caring for no reason, there must be a reason why that person is doing it. If it is not tagged to Valentine's Day, if it's not tagged to the fact that Valentine's is fast approaching, there must be another reason why this person is doing it. You are not a douchebag. You are a person of high value and someone needs to treat you as such. Love does not have to begin because of a particular season. Love does not have to end because of a particular season, because some people after the Valentine's has passed, they return back to how they used to act. So the most important thing is for you to love yourself. If you can love yourself so much, you won't need validation from anywhere. You won't need anyone to love you before you can feel whole. You need to first of all love yourself. In fact, I want to talk to my single ladies, I included. If you have never taken yourself out, this Valentine's season is an opportunity for you to do so. Take yourself out, go and spoil yourself. It's not a bad thing having a solo outing all by yourself. So if you have never tried it before, you can do it in this season. You can also buy yourself flowers, gift yourself. Some people go as far as making an order and delivering it to themselves. You can do so many things that will make you feel loved all by yourself. You know that self-love is the first most important thing before you can receive any other love from someone else. If you don't love yourself, no matter how much love is shown to you, you may not really appreciate it. You may not really accept it. And that is where a lot of things start to happen. When the love is no more there, you get devastated, you feel heartbroken, you feel the whole world is crumbling at your feet, you feel like you've lost the most important thing in the world. No one is going to love you like you do. Valentine's Day is not meant for only two people. It's not meant for only the couples. It's not meant for those in the relationship, whatever the ship may be. It's also meant for the single people. Go on a solo outing, go on a solo party, take yourself out to a party. If you hear there is a wedding going on, go on that wedding. How many of you have attended someone's wedding? Take this as an advantage. At least you see what is going on out there, how things are being done. Take yourself out. If there's a food that you want to taste and you know you have the power, you have the capability, take yourself out to try this food. It won't change the perception you have about yourself. See, everyone is going through one thing or the other. Everyone is trying to validate themselves. Not all focuses are on you. And I think the most problem that we have is the fact that we put all focuses on ourselves. We think that everyone is watching us. But you need to understand that people have things going on. People have their own problems. People have their own issues. Even the people in a relationship are not contented. Talk less of you that is not in a relationship. So, like I said earlier, if someone has not been showing you love and all of a sudden they start showing you, this is a clear sign that they only want you for what they want. They only want you for their own selfish interest. So, as Valentine is fast approaching, make sure you make the right decision and you don't end up being the victim. I hope this video helps you. I hope this video encourages you, because I don't want you to feel bad that no one is going to take you out. No one is going to spoil you when you can absolutely do it yourself. So before you give yourself to someone, first give yourself to yourself. Love yourself, accept yourself, feed yourself, go out there and try that food. Even if you don't have the money. See, I want to say this, but I know some people who are into the clothing business may not really like this. Even if you don't have the money, go for a shopping, wear those clothes, try it on, feel it on yourself. Do a lot of things to feel good about yourself. Valentine's Day is a day to show love to yourself, to the people around you. It is when you love yourself that you can extend a genuine love to people around you. So as this season comes, take it, whether you have someone or not. Love yourself, be good to yourself, be kind to yourself, and know that when you're good to yourself, when you love yourself, when you are kind to yourself, the love you're looking for will eventually find you, no matter how long you're waiting. So for some of us that are still waiting, I want you to love yourself in this season. Love yourself regardless. Take yourself out, spoil yourself to stupor. If there's a word like that, spoil yourself to stupor. I wish you so much love. Bye for now. Bye.